Hey everyone, it's Paul with your Bold Profits Daily. Today I have an update on what has been an unbelievable trade, a great trade for you. Now look back at this headline where I told you to hone in on the millennial housing boom. And in that update, I told you to buy ITB, which is the iShares Home Construction ETF. Look at that performance, up 8% at the peak, down a little bit. And so I figured it is prime time for you to have an update on what you should be doing from here. Should you be taking profits? Should you stay in? Or if you got out, should you come back in? So let's go. So 3 reasons why I believe the millennial housing boom is going to keep going. In fact, I believe it's just getting started. And I believe the biggest gains are still ahead. And here in this first slide, you'll see my first reason. First-time home buyers are still out there looking for homes. Every good, real, proper bull market, whether it be in the stock market or in housing, depends on the base buyer. And for homes and in housing, that's the first-time home buyer. They kind of form the base. And the fact that the first-time home buyer has not been scared off by the recession talk of last year, not been scared off by interest rates or by all the gloom and doom that's been there for the last really 3 to 6 months tells you that this millennial housing market is rock solid and I believe is going to continue to keep going. Reason number 2, there are very few homes out there. Look at this headline. The vacancy rate for homes in the United States is back to 1994 levels. 1994. I can barely remember 1994. That was, wow, so long ago. 25 years ago almost. So in other words, the number of homes out there is scarce, which means it's a perfect market for the companies in this index, home builders that have to go up and put up these homes that people want to buy. And of course, once you buy a home, what do? Well, you spend money on appliances. You spend money at all the different things to make the home nice so you want to live in it. So that's my reason number 2. Homes are still scarce out there. Third, this market, as I've been telling you, is all about the millennial generation, and we have evidence of it today. In fact, nearly 50% of all mortgages taken out in 2018 were from folks in the millennial generation. They are the ones that really make this market. They're the ones that are out there buying, not just the first-time home buyer, but many of them are also now stepping into that first step-up home. And we now have enough evidence of this everywhere. Home builders are telling us that they are moving from servicing the baby boomers to really focusing on the millennials. So those are my 3 reasons why I believe that this ETF, this stock that has all of these home building companies in it is still good money. And you can make, I believe, incredible money by being in this ETF, ITB, which is the iShares Home Construction ETF. However, if you want, and you know what's coming, yep, this is my shameless plug for my services, which are Profits Unlimited, where we have at least 2 unbelievable, phenomenal companies that play into this trade. One is an online furniture retailer. Another one is what I believe is going to be the Amazon of real estate. They are changing real estate. And then in my Extreme Fortune service, we have a number of companies. I believe it's something like 4 incredible, phenomenal companies that also play into this trade. So if you want the big gains, hundreds of percents of gains, thousands of percents of gains, you got to check into my services. Profits Unlimited, Extreme Fortunes, check those out. Now, I will be truthful and say the ETF, just like it's given you so far, will also give you perfectly good performance. So That's my Bold Profits Daily for this week. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll have another one for you next week. Until then, this is Paul saying